This is an unboxing, but I'm also going to do a guess what the heck is it? Because when I saw this, I couldn't. I thought, what a silly gadget! What a silly gadget! So let me open it up. Actual silly device. That's what I thought. What a silly device. Nothing else in there. It just comes. I guess those are. Wait. What are these two things? Are they supposed to come in here? I don't know. Is it part of this? Maybe it's part of this. I don't know. So, fully closed, or not extended, 8 inches. And it has a rubber, you say rubber or plastic, honey?
Like foam rubber.
Foam rubber, okay. Let me pull on it, let's see how long we get. So it fully extended. It's you guys watching the video, you know what this is because of the description of the video. What this is for. I'm gonna do a guess what the heck is it for the Gizwiz, a show I watch, which I love. 3 feet 3 inches. I'm gonna give it 3 feet 3 inches, 39 inches. So I'm going to. My wife's right next to me. I'm gonna ask her. So, honey, pretty much, I guess you can guess what this is.
Yes.
But you can't guess what it's for. So.
Well, I like the pink color, and it looks like a squeegee, right? Like a window squeegee.
Okay.
So would it be for like? It's small, so it won't be for a big. So either a very small mirror, or like a computer screen maybe, or a phone. My phone, it would be one swipe, probably. Other than that, I can't really guess.
Okay, so let me show you what it's for. Playing the game with my wife, and she'll you know what this is for. I think it's just silly. I'm gonna see if it actually works for what it's for, and see how surprised my wife will be.
The fact that it's telescoping means it's to reach something far away. I don't know, like window blinds, but no, that wouldn't make any sense.
Okay, so let's go to actually showing you. I'm gonna try using it.
Okay.
What do you think, honey?
Perfect.
Okay. Lucky I have this squeegee, or else I'd have no idea how I would clean the rear view mirror. Right, honey?
Yeah.
I must.
Especially if must in pink.
Okay.